Hi everyone, merhaba, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make a dish from my childhood, Tirit. Tirit is a dish basically made from stale or toasted bread soaked in broth. You can top it with any kind of meat, either a meat chunks in small pieces or use ground beef. Bread has always been the most basic food in Anatolian cultural cuisine since ancient times. It is a sacred blessing for all cultures with symbolic meanings attributed to it beyond being a staple food of the table. We have many different Tirit dishes throughout Anatolia, like Konya tiridi or Kastamonu tiridi, which is in the Black Sea coast, my father's hometown. Today I'm gonna show you a mix of Kastamonu and home style I learned from my mom. So let's begin. Okay, the ingredients are very simple. This is the bread I'm gonna use today. The type of bread used in Tirit recipes is a durable, dry, leavened or unleavened bread. This is a Ramazan pidesi we call. I have the recipe on my channel, but it doesn't have to be this. Use any stale bread. If your bread is soft, you can toast it. I'm gonna cut them into cubes first. Going to saute it with some butter. The other ingredients are 400 grams ground beef. As for the meat type, you can use any kind of meat, beef, lamb, chicken, even duck. Butter to saute and make our red pepper sauce, 2 medium-sized onion, paprika, salt and pepper. And about 1.5 cups of thick plain yogurt to serve. I'm gonna cut the pide first into cubes. The bread was about 450 grams. I only kept this part. This is for 3 of us. It seems a lot, but it is really delicious and it's gonna be the only meal we're gonna have. I'm gonna melt some butter here. I'm going to toast the breads a little bit. While the bread is toasting with the butter, I'm gonna cut my onions and begin to saute with the ground beef. After I halfway sauteed the mincemeat, I added my onions and continued to saute. I added 1.5 cups of butter, along with paprika, salt and black pepper. The most important common feature of the Tirit meal comes from making new dish from stale bread and preventing the waste. The dish, which is also known as Thareed in different forms in the Middle East, dates back to the time of our Prophet, peace be upon him. There is even a hadith in which our Prophet praised the Tirit meal. What is on my memory besides the delicious taste, she was serving in a big serving plate and we were eating right from the plate with spoons. It was making us get together at the table, just like in Anatolia or even back in Ottoman times how it was served. Make sure all the bread pieces are wet. You can add a bit more water, boil it again to get some more from the sauce. For this amount, from 1.5 to 2 cups of water you can use. Next, I'm gonna drizzle some yogurt and paprika sauce. Okay, here it is. As you can see, it's very easy, only a couple of steps we have, and it looks incredible, like a kebab. It really reminds me Iskender kebab. Instead of döner kebab, we have minced meat on top. It's very similar, the ingredients are. So let's give it a try. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is really good, my friends. I get a little bit the crunchiness, the toastness from the pide, but it is wet from the sauce. The yogurt I drizzled and the butter sauce on top makes it even more delicious. If you love this video, check out Turkey Beautiful Diversity and the Story of Moors on Qalbox. If you haven't heard, Qalbox is a new subscription video on demand platform that offers a variety of shows from documentaries, history and lifestyle. Check them out from the links today. Also check my Ramadan pide, Iskender kebab and other Turkish dishes from the links down below. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Afiyet olsun.